Hey everyone, okay, so this just arrived, literally just arrived today. It is Monday today, so I'm going to hopefully get this out tomorrow. Now this is from Natasha Denona and it's the HyGlam foundation, which is the serum foundation. Now it came in the biggest box you've ever seen in your life. It was gigantic, thick perspex plastic. I've never seen anything like it before. Here in the UK, it's really difficult to dispose of that kind of stuff because it's just a nightmare. But I got 3 foundations sent in this huge thing. I'm so grateful, but yes, right. So I've seen this on Instagram. I know nothing about it. I've never tested it. I haven't looked at any reviews. It came with the 3 foundations, a sponge, and a little clear palette. So I've got shades R4, R5, and RPG, I think that says. 6, sorry, I can't see. So we're going to start with the 5 and see how that goes. They may have to mix. So let's just give it a try. So I'll pump out one little dot of the foundation and let's see where it takes us. So I'm just going to dot it. I think this might be okay actually. And I like to dot things to begin with because I just think that it's a nicer way of applying foundation. I cannot bear sticking a brush in foundation and then going all over the face. So this feels like skincare, just so you know. It has that serum-like quality. I think it's a pretty good match. I've still got quite a bit on my palette from that one pump. Other side, it blends beautifully. It's a really good color match as well. So that's wonderful. And the nose. So that's kind of like, I would say this is about half a pump. And that's the finished effect. By the way, there was nothing on my skin. No moisturizer, no nothing. So let's use the rest and see where it takes us. I'm even going to use the remainder with the brush. So I would say that this offers medium coverage. I think this is a medium coverage foundation. One pump to me, this looks medium. It's too much for me in everyday life. I would not wear this at this level because I can see it, but I think a lot of people will really like it. Let me just blend this into the hairline a bit more. Sorry if I seem a bit fed up today. I haven't had a lot of sleep for the past 3 days now. My partner is snoring insanely and I'm a very light sleeper anyway, so it's driving me insane. I've had about less than 4 hours sleep now for 3 consecutive nights and I'm not great at sleeping anyway. All right, there you go. So it's really pretty and flawless. Actually, now it's starting to settle in. It's looking a lot more natural. Let's just add a little bit of color as well to the skin, and then we can kind of judge it a little bit more. Now bear in mind there's no powder yet or anything to mattify, so what you're getting is the actual effect on unmoisturized normal skin. There you go. It's really pretty. I'm just going to shear it out. I'm just going to take a touch of like a silicone powder. This is by Mally Beauty from QVC. And I'm just going to mattify the T-zone with this. And then you've got the shine around the rest of the face. I've also, of course, got the sunlight coming in. I've got blinds here. Let me try and it's problematic. I'm so sorry. But this will go up anyway. It's not like anyone watches my bloody videos anymore anyway, so, you know, it's fine. Right, let's just finish off with the brow because I'm losing, it's getting a bit sparse on this kind of outside corner. So let's just fill them in slightly. And I think that completes the look. Now I can't talk about longevity, it's just come today. It looks really beautiful. It looks really beautiful. maybe I'll take, let's see what the R, let's just use a touch of the R4 and let's just see if we can use it just for a touch of brightness. It's going to be quite subtle, but I'm good with subtle, I really am. That's really nice. That's added a nice bit of brightness, I think. Oh, look. Lovely. Right, let's just mattify again. I know people are going to ask me again. It's by Mally Beauty. It's called Evercolour Poreless Face Defender. Right, there we go. Hopefully I'll be a little bit more energetic the next time you see me. Oh, honestly, I'm so tired. I feel, you know when you feel genuinely unwell with it? That's how I feel currently. And I've also got rotator cuff problems on both. And I've got golfer's elbow on both of my elbows from the gym. So I'm feeling quite sorry for myself. Right, there we go. Beautiful, that's really nice. It really is nice. Let me know what you think. I'll put links and all that in the description bar. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.